Hi guys, welcome to Mechanical Boost. Today in this video, we are going to discuss the causes of the brake warning light. The brake warning light is a vital safety feature designed to alert drivers to problems that could affect the vehicle's braking ability. Let's firstly understand the meaning of the brake warning light. The brake warning light on a vehicle's dashboard is a critical indicator that indicates issues within the braking system. The brake warning light indicates that your parking brake is engaged, fluid leak, or the brake fluid is low. Causes of the brake warning light. 1. Low brake fluid. The brake fluid is crucial for creating the hydraulic pressure needed to operate the brake system. If the fluid level is low, it can compromise the system's ability to generate adequate pressure, leading to reduced braking performance. The brake warning light is triggered to alert the driver to check the fluid level and address any potential leaks or worn brake components. 2. Worn brake pads. Many vehicles are equipped with sensors that detect the thickness of the brake pads. As the brake pads wear down, the sensor can trigger the brake warning light to inform the driver that the pads need to be replaced. 3. Parking brake engaged. The brake warning light also serves as an indicator for the parking brake. If the parking brake is engaged or not fully released, the light will illuminate to remind the driver. 4. Faulty brake light switch. The brake light switch is responsible for turning on the brake lights when the pedal is pressed. If this switch fails, it can trigger the brake warning light. A malfunctioning switch can lead to safety issues, as other drivers may not be aware that the vehicle is slowing down or stopping. 5. ABS issues. The anti-lock braking system is designed to prevent will lock up during hard braking. If there's a problem with the ABS, such as a malfunctioning sensor or pump, it can trigger both the ABS and brake warning lights. 6. Brake system leak. A leak in the brake system, whether in the lines, hoses, or master cylinder, reduces the hydraulic pressure necessary for effective braking. The brake warning light illuminates to alert the driver to this serious issue, as low hydraulic pressure can lead to brake failure. 7. Electrical issues. The brake warning light can be triggered by electrical problems such as a blown fuse, faulty wiring, or a malfunctioning relay. These issues can disrupt the communication between the brake system components and the vehicle's dashboard, causing the warning light to activate. 8. Faulty sensor. Various sensors in the brake system monitor different parameters, such as brake fluid level and pressure. If any of these sensors fail or send incorrect signals, the brake warning light can be triggered. 9. Malfunctioning master cylinder. The master cylinder is a critical component that generates the hydraulic pressure needed to operate the brakes. If the master cylinder is faulty, it can lead to a loss of pressure, triggering the brake warning light. Ignoring the brake warning light can lead to decreased braking performance, which significantly increases the risk of accidents. Therefore, addressing the brake warning light promptly ensures the vehicle's brake system remains in good working order, maintaining safety for the driver and others on the road.